Snow is there. It seems fresh now. Yes. जी अचानक गिर गया। ओह थैंक यू।
उधर पकड़ो, चल जाओ,
उधर जाऊँ।
ऐसे लो,
मिट्टी में
लगी तो नहीं?
हाँ नहीं लग रही, पूरे पहना है ना जी। स्टैंड लगा है, जान निकल गई।
ले चलते हैं,
स्टार्ट करते हैं।
आराम से आना।
जी थैंक जी। फिर थैंक यू। That is the exceptional thing that has happened. The soldiers have helped me a lot. Let's go. Careful. Piling nala.
क्या गया, स्लिप कर गई थी?
हाँ स्नो में ऐसे पूरा गिर गया एक ही दफा।
चोट तो लगा?
हाँ नहीं नहीं, ये पूरा गियर पहनना है ना, इसलिए कुछ नहीं हुआ। अगर गियर नहीं हुआ तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है। थैंक यू जी। I have to be careful here. Yeah, don't go. I think better to go. Baling Nala. That is the Baling Nala. Yeah. I am sorry, Anjali.
your point? Well, we might just make it. Did that thought ever cross your brain? Well, regardless, I would rather take my chance out there on the ocean than to stay here and die on this shithole island, spending the rest of my life talking to a goddamn volleyball! Shut you up. Wilson! 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 Oh! Oh, never again! Never again! Never again! You're okay. Okay? Yeah. I know you. I know you. So, we okay? Okay?
In the land of Rama, don't be Gama. I've been traveling in a very bad patch here, almost trouble with steep inclines. You can see how slow those lorries are going. After that spectacular fall, I am now a little bit more careful, riding in low gear, not taking any chances for that. Keep in third and just allow it to roll on. Don't apply any front brake or back brake. See the patch. That practice at Hyderabad helped me a lot prior to this, and so far the Ghat section of Tirumala also helped me in earlier curves, but this is altogether different experience. Keep in third gear. You see the beautiful Spiti Valley with these unknown trees and flowers, and that road is quite horrible, and the entire seems slipping around. You can see these mountains are made up of loose soil, and it seems they belong to these sea elements, the blackish nature. I think when Indian continent collided with the Eurasian continent, these Himalayas arose. I think we might find something related to coastal elements here, especially in the form of fossils. Definitely. This is the Spiti river. You can see its color, greenish blue in nature, pure and fresh. And now I am 30 kilometers away from the Tabo. Let's hope for the best. Just crossed Sumdo. We are following Spiti river. Road is a bit narrow, but this is offering a very good view, and there is one bridge also there. Let's see. Tibetan flags. Due Nako. Tomorrow I think I have to come here. Welcome you. Okay, let's proceed. Tremendous view. Life here though is good, it is quite fragile too. These remote areas, lack of health facilities, not only that, education, everything for these locals. Government is doing in a way, but no one can surpass completely the nature. We are part and parcel of the nature. Tremendous views. We have to go in this direction, there and there. Okay. Let us see. Touching the sky almost. It is not like our planes down south where we can crash into each other. We have to respect the road, so definitely respect others too. Otherwise, we will be definitely somewhere else, not on this road. Very deep gorge on left hand side. Camera may not capture, but it is steep descent. Just use engine braking power. I think all these definitely belong to sea. It is definitely not made up of those rocky mountains, loose soil. How in those days, without all this connectivity, people have come and inhabited such remote areas, especially these upper Himalayas. I think they are real brave hearts rather than us. Our modern generation has succumbed to easy way out so easily that they don't want to have any trouble in our lives, especially the current generation I am telling about. This is Hurling village. Can you see that loose oil gushing down in between the rocks? Exceptional views. We are following the SPITI river. We have to go this way, there, and another 17 or 18 kilometers. Can you see this rock? It is entirely different. It belongs to ocean, and that loose soil. These are the ones I'm talking about. See these fossils. And second thing is that as we are ascending and ascending, can't find any vehicle for kilometers together. This is Surma village on opposite side. Sumra village. They got some hanging bridge. Village is on opposite side. Again receiving the flakes of snow. This is the route to Tabo and Kaja. Beat on this loose soil. It is another world, isn't it? The river flowing besides the loose mountain on one side and snow-capped mountains in front with almost zero vegetation. Hey. different colors. This dog racing along with my bike for a while. There is a village nearby, around 2 to 3 kilometers. With those mountains in backdrop. It's a Dari village. Some homestays are there here. Which year I'm ready to get apartments exactly. We have to cross this brain beach. I think that is the Tabo, and SPITI river in the foreground seems a bigger one. Near to reach there. That is the Tabo.